If you could build your own ChatGPT-style AI assistant without paying for expensive APIs and run everything directly on your laptop. AI is everywhere right now, but most tutorials require paid APIs or expensive subscriptions. So today I will show you how to build your own AI chatbot locally using completely free tools. Most people use AI tools, but developer build AI tools. So let's be a developers, right? So it will be an interesting. So once you understand this process, you can create coding assistant, business boards, AI website, PDF chatbots, and much more. So now we will see how cloud AI and local AI works. Normally, your message travel to cloud servers. Those servers process the request and send the answer back to you. But here, the AI model run directly on our computer. When you ask a question, your laptop process it and generate the answer. That means no API calls, better privacy, and it can work offline, and you will be having a complete control. Basically, this local AI fetch the data using the knowledge that was earned during its training. So yeah, I think now we'll be having one question, right? Why chatbot and what is the use of it? For example, imagine an online shopping company. If customer asks like where is my order, what this chatbot will do, this chatbot checks the order database, it finds the tracking information and it replies instantly, right? And this process is very quick. That's why business invest heavily on a chatbot to save time, to reduce the support cost, improve the customer experience, etc. And this chatbot is not just answering a question, it helping the people to get the work done faster. Okay. And okay, now let's build a simple local AI. We need Node.js because it let us run the JavaScript outside the browser. So if you don't have Node.js in your system, you can go to this website and you can download and install. Once your installation is done, you can check the Node version by using this command. So now we will create the project folder. Project folder is created. Now we will install the necessary packages. These packages creates our backend server and connect us to the local AI. And Ollama is one of the easiest way to run AI model locally. So here I am using TinyLlama because it works even in lower end laptops. So our local AI is installed. Now we will import our project in the Visual Studio Code. Your project is imported. Now we will create the few files which is required to get the information from the user and send them to the local AI models and get the response back. So first we will create the server.js file. So this file will act like a brain of our application because it receives the user information and send them to the local AI model and get the response back. So now we will go through this code, and this particular piece of code is used to import the necessary models. So whenever user sends a message, this router will receive the message, and this piece of code is used to receive the message and send back to the local AI model running in Ollama. And this piece of code is used to return the response back to the browser. And this is the starting line of our application, where our application will run on localhost 3000. So basically the server.js file acts like a bridge between the user interface and the local AI models. So now we will create the script.js file. This file will control everything happening in the browser. While AI is thinking, the script.js wait for the response, and when the answer arrives, it is displayed in the chat window. Script.js manages the user interaction and update the chat bot interface. So now we will create the style.css, which is required for UI styling. And index.html is the landing page. Okay, now our project is ready. So now we will run this project on server. Now our project is running in localhost 3000. So go and check in that localhost. Yeah, now we are able to see our AI chatbot UI. Now we will ask something. Yeah, and now we have our own AI chatbot running completely locally for free. This is not about replacing ChatGPT, it's about understanding how AI application actually work. Once you learn this foundation, you can build your own AI tools, startup ideas, automation, and assistant. Most people consume technology, developers create technology. In future video, we can add voice assistant, AI memory, PDF chatbots, and even AI agents. If you enjoyed this project and want more AI tutorial like this, subscribe to this channel and let me know what AI project we should build next. Thank you.